Hello, I'd like to give you a quick preview of the carpet cleaning performance of the iRobot Roomba Max 705 combo, as I've already tested my soft blue carpet, and the results were really poor. Let's take a quick look at the whole thing. We start with 187.1 grams, and after 7 runs, we only reach a pickup of 1.9 grams, which hasn't improved even after another 7 runs. A 19% removal rate is really bad. This result is the worst I've found for this carpet so far. Even a 205 combo performed better. At least 3 things could be the cause, but I think the main one lies in the carpet protection plate. If we take a look at this at real speed and slow down, we can see that, on the one hand, the mop roller is briefly in contact with the pile of the carpet because the dirt plate isn't extended quickly enough, or the robot doesn't simply pause briefly to extend the plate. Unfortunately, the extended plate then comes into contact with the carpet's pile and is constantly touching it, which is embedding the test dust even further into the carpet. This also seems to stir up the test dust even further, if you look at the areas around the mop roller. This is all test dust that really shouldn't be there. Well, what can I say? Very detrimental and disappointing for dust pickup, and possibly also detrimental for hair pickup on carpets. I expect equally poor performance on the red carpet with its very dense pile, as the robot will sink into the pile a bit here too. For the dirt mat, the whole thing will probably be negative, at least for the sand contamination. That's all for now. The full carpet test will follow, as will the hard floor cleaning, which works much better.